welcome to National Geographic documentary on one of the largest biomes in the world, the freshwater biome. The freshwater biome is made up of any body of water that is made of fresh water, such as lakes, ponds, rivers, and streams. The freshwater biome covers 1/5 of the earth and is an aquatic biome. There are 700 species of fish that live in the freshwater biome.
Freshwater is only about 2.5% of our total water, and 99% of it is ice. Freshwater is naturally occurring on Earth's surface in ice sheets, ice caps, glaciers, icebergs, bogs, lakes, rivers, ponds, streams, and underground is groundwater aquifers and underground streams.
Contains many keystone species. A keystone species is a species that is very important to the community. The keystone species of Lake Lanier is the Georgia trout. The Georgia trout is very important because it's used as a source of food for animals and humans. Lake Lanier is fed by the Chattahoochee River, which is the southernmost trout river in the United States. Another keystone species is the frog because it is a secondary consumer that provides food for many heterotrophs. Humans have impacted the lake a lot, and traces of human activity can be seen everywhere.
Trash, and we divert the water to farm crops. This has negative effects on the environment. Lake Lanier and all freshwater biomes are teeming with producers. The autotrophs are split up into plankton, floating plants, and sinking plants, phytoplankton, and other algae that usually be seen on rocks and aquatic populations in the water or attached to fish.
There are 4 key factors that determine the ecology of streams and rivers: flow of water, amount of light, the temperature of climate, the chemistry of the river. This includes the 4 aquatic zones: littoral, limnetic, euphotic, benthic. The littoral zone is the area closest to the shore. This zone is where most plants grow. The limnetic is open water away from the shore. The euphotic zone is the area just below the surface with enough sunlight for plants like plankton to perform photosynthesis. The benthic zone is the area where no sunlight is available to the bottom or floor of the lake.
Many other biome faces threats of destruction. Environmental pollution such as dumping garbage into Lake Lanier is a major issue because plastic and other pieces of trash can harm and even kill animals and plants in the environment. We don't have to worry about precipitation because it ranges from 10 to 80 inches of water per year. Plenty of plants in the lakes that have adaptations to survive. Water lilies float on the surface of the water because there's not enough land, so they adapted to the water to get sunlight and nutrients. Cattails and other plants stay on the banks to not get washed away with the strong roots.
Freshwater biomes range in depth from 0 to 5,387 feet. Lake Baikal is the world's deepest lake with its maximum depth of 5,387 feet. Lake Baikal is also the world's largest lake in terms of volume. It contains 5,221 cubic miles of water. Lake Lanier only has a maximum depth of 130 feet. Lake Lanier also has only 0.3105 cubic miles of water. Creatures survive. Catfish live at the bottom of lakes and rivers. Then they wait for the carcasses to float down to the bottom. Finally, they eat the remains of other fish left behind. In conclusion, freshwater is a body of water that does not contain large amounts of salt, and it covers 1/5 of the globe. It can be man-made like Lake Lanier, or it could have been made around since the dinosaurs like Lake Baikal. Plants and animals adapt to survive. Pollution is a threat to animals. Thank you for watching National Geographic.